Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to unblock someone on Threads app. Why would you want to know how to unblock someone on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Thread and not sure how to unblock someone on Thread app. So today I am going to show you how to unblock someone on Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Unblocking someone on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will unblock someone on Thread app. First of all, open Thread app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner. And now in this screen, click on menu icon in the right top corner. And then click on privacy. And now click on block, and now here are accounts that I have blocked, and then click on unblock, and now again click on it, and that account has been unblocked. So there you go. If you were wondering how to unblock someone on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.